Hello everyone, I'm glad you are here to watch me fail today. Okay, why do I say that? Because I have no hope for the product we are about to test out. So I have these magnetic lashes from Wish, okay? Yes, I know, we've probably all seen beauty gurus try on these magnetic lashes. However, I never tried them myself, and maybe they just didn't know how to make it work. Maybe I have the special touch to make these work. Probably not. Definitely not. I really don't have much hope for these, but I'm gonna try them anyway. So as you can see, that's why my lashes look transparent right now, because I don't have any mascara on them or anything like that, because we're going to try these magnetic lashes. And if they don't work out, I'll just put on mascara. Was that even an intro? I don't know how to be a YouTuber. My apologies. So this is what one of the lashes look like. It's to get, okay, actually they're like two. Let me try to, how do you separate these? So this is one set, okay? Like there's literally four pairs, like if you think about it, like four different parts to this, okay? So this is one of the lashes that goes on one of your eyes, and then the other one right here goes on your other eye. I guess we should just jump right in and test this, because Mochi has grown, you guys. He's so big now. I miss little kitten Mochi, but that's okay. Say hi, Mochi. Say hi. I love Mochi so much, you guys. Like, honestly, I'm in love with that cat. Based on the videos I've seen of YouTubers trying this, they normally put the top lash on top, and ooh, that looks awful. That's not even like a good lash. Not even if it did work, to be honest with you. Like, hello, I'm here for my interview. Okay, I'm literally just going to put this lash right on top and then try to connect the bottom. I don't know. Okay, they don't even bend right. Like, I'm holding it like this, so they'll just kind of bend. That's a little better. No, it's not. You know, instead of trying this to make this look good, I'm just gonna, boom, just pop the bottom on. And I know that the inner corner is not gonna be in there nicely, but I don't care. Ready? And oh yes, beach. Yes, that's the look I was going for. Let me just put the other ones on. What do you see? What's this inner corner is driving me insane. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know everything about makeup. What are you talking about? You don't even know what a beauty guru is. I am the definition of beautiful. No, it looks bad. Stop trying to make excuses for it, Kyla. So as you can tell clearly, the inner corner is a joke. I can't say that I approve, you guys. No. All right, I'm gonna try to make this work a couple more times off camera. I will try to make it work. If it doesn't work, I will come back and we're going to try something else. It'd be really awesome if a company would make magnetic lashes that did work nicely. This isn't gonna work. I'm about to cut off the inner corner. I'm gonna cut off the inner corner magnet and try to just do it on my outer corner. I feel like that still wouldn't look good. I cut them. Okay, all right. I'm gonna put these on the outer. This is not gonna look okay. Well, I mean, they seem a lot more secure than they would if I had my inner corner, the inner corner part still on. But they don't look right. I cut off the inner corner part. I'm gonna try to put that on now. Mama didn't raise no quitter. We are gonna make these work today, honey. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna try to stick them down. Oh, now these want to come off and play me. Okay. Well, that was the result of that. I mean, no, they still look not good, but the inner corner is laid. Like, it is there. It is staying there. It is here. This style is just too much for me. Okay, well, that's not working. I can't get the other eye. I can't even. So I'm gonna put on lower lash mascara. See if it makes this look any better. Oh, yes. Honey. No. That was an absolute waste of a couple of dollars and waste of my time. I'm gonna put on just mascara and see. Actually, I know it's gonna look a lot better. Okay, guys, I have my mascara on. I used the Lancome Hypnose Drama mascara. I just put on a little bit more. I like this look a lot better than these fake lashes, you guys. I mean, again, cutting off the inner corner magnet, the one inner corner magnet, and separating it from the other two magnets helped, but in the end, it still looked ridiculous. I think that it might have looked better with a more natural style, but honey, I didn't get natural lashes today, because those just, that just looked ridiculous, to be honest with you. I much prefer my natural lashes with a little bit of mascara on them, or, I mean, I do love these Lash Pop lashes. These are the style Zero Money. Anyway, these are like my favorite lashes. I'm not a lash girl, but when I do wear lashes, I don't always wear lashes, but when I do, they're Lash Pop and Zero Money. So that is pretty much it, you guys. Testing out magnetic lashes. I've been wanting to do this for a minute to see if they work. Stick to your natural lashes with some mascara on them. Stick to some falsies, but do not, in my opinion, I wouldn't recommend the magnetic lashes to you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, then give it a dislike. Go right ahead. I don't care. I don't care. I seriously love you guys so much. And if you want me to test out any more weird products, let me know. Let me know what you want me to test out, because I'm down to test out anything. I love you all, and I'll hopefully see you all in my next video. Bye. No, but for real, guys, I love you so much. Bye. Oh my God. No, 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 no. Oh my God, it's in my eye. Oh. Okay, they're cool now. That literally just went right in my eyeball. Do you see how close it is to my waterline now? In the inner corner, not the outer corner. Like, that was... I dropped that in my eyeball.